No.
Yes.
This is not how we get a dog.
But it's a gift.
Yeah, but a dog is a big responsibility, you know? It's like a decision.
But I have a lot of time on my hands now that, you know. I was thinking that we could name the dog Ruthie, but I realized that's stupid.
Caroline, I love you. I love you. You know I love you, but just talk to her, okay? Don't name a dog after her.
Marsh.
She's not dead.
I know.
And I text you enough.
But
You find everything wrong with me. You tell me everything. I know you used to tell her, like, I used to get the side of you that found me annoying, but in, like, a cute way. Because I knew that you had somebody to talk to about how I'm just a dude who likes to play video games and stuff.
Marshall.
I want to be your best friend. I do, but I can't be everything.
Are you breaking up with me? We just got a dog.
I'm telling you that you need Ruthie. And I'm not going to let you run away from her. Our dog is named Lady.
Marshall,
Yeah.
I love you too. Siri, text Ruthie. What's up? Question mark.
Ready to send it?
Send.
Done.